Hi everyone, do you have a Ford car? If you have, you might come across some kind of surprising scene in your car. Let me show you what I mean. Open the door. There it is. What is this? Oh my God. Where is this come from? Inside a Ford car. Passenger side. Okay, what is it called? Footwell passenger outlet. Okay, how to fix it? Where has this come from? Strangely enough, I was the only one in the car, and I locked the car, and now I'm opening the passenger seat, the passenger side door. Where has this fallen from? Definitely not from the sky. Let me have a look inside the engine. Okay, this is the glove box. It's very simple. Don't be surprised. This has fallen from this hole here, under the passenger side foot area. Look at that. It's a fault within the Ford cars. So if you ever end up with this kind of thing here, make sure you know that it's coming from this hole there. Can you see? Right underneath. Just there. That's the place. So I'm gonna show you how this is fixed. Very simple. Okay, let's fix this problem. Open the glove box. Can you see? Left hand side and right hand side there. Just push it towards the left, push it towards the right. Okay, so push it this way and push it that way, just from these two edges. Push both towards the middle, and this should just click off. There you go. Now it's off. Okay, so I'm gonna leave something underneath so you can open it all the way down, so you can have enough space to put this back on. Okay, now you can see I've left that bottle underneath. I didn't even have to empty it, but it's simple if you empty everything. That's where it is. Look, that's the radio. It's right behind there. If you just shine with a torch, you will see it so clearly. There you go. That little box there. So it's not at the back. It's literally, let me show you. It's right there, okay, behind the radio. And this will be faced downwards, the two holes, and then this this shape will go literally like that. Okay, there is the button will click on. Right, so it's right there. There you go. That is the one. That shape there is the same as this shape. Okay, so how you will fix it? You're gonna put it inside, and then once you put it inside, then you turn it around. Look, can you see this? This must go to the top. You turn it around, and then you fix it like that. Okay, right, let me show you. Okay, so now I've got a torch. Look at that. I'm just gonna take the phone right inside so you guys can clearly see it. There you go. That is the one. Can you see the shape? That's how you're gonna click it onto that. Okay, let me show you the actual. There you go. Can you see this shape here? So that will go down. This is the top. Okay, I'm gonna take the whole thing inside. Right, I've left my phone right inside. Okay, so you're just gonna take it inside like this. Okay, make sure it's the opposite way. It's a bit tight in here. Okay, can you see? It's gone in. So once it's in, look at that point bit. That point bit's got to go down. Okay, I'm gonna turn it around. You must turn it around inside, otherwise you won't be able to turn it around as it fits from outside. So you take it inside, then you turn it around. There you go. Just turned it around. All right. So I'm gonna let me see if I. So you find the shape and the click button right on the top, and you click it on. There you go. Click. It's on. So it's a fault within the Ford. I think, I don't know why they having kind of create screws for it, so you can actually screw it on, or 2 clicks, there you go, it's on. So probably if you drive over, you know, quite a few bumps, this might just, you know, kind of loosen itself up. Let me take it in. Can you see? It's fixed. So simple, and the 2 hoses pointing towards the bottom of the engine. So it's fixed, and then whenever it becomes loose, it just falls down on the passenger side. And then simply just put that back on. There is a click. Push it this way, come on this side, push it that way, and then it should shut. There we go. Done. Beautiful. Very simple. Hope this has helped everybody. Thank you very much. Bye bye.